Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. I'd like to invite you for the lesson today on stocks to watch, and I'm going to run you through exactly how we do this at Trend Following Mentor in order to improve your trading results. As well as I'd like to invite you for a free 40-page trend following report. You can sign up, everything is free. You'll learn a tremendous amount about trend following and what it takes to be successful over time. Let's jump over to MetaStocks. What we do in MetaStocks is very simple. The basic premise is there's no magic indicators, there's no magic system, no holy grails, but we have a long set of rules or a trading plan in which we get into trades and over time can benefit. What we do first is we look to identify the strongest and the weakest markets. I have a special exploration in MetaStock. It's called Trend Following Mentor Ranking. I've already done it. I've ran it already to save time. It ranks the strongest stocks to the weakest stocks. And primarily what I do is I look at the IBD 50. The IBD 50, they help me already to identify the universe to make the universe even smaller. And then to even do that, I want to buy the strongest stocks within the IBD 50. One of them that came up is this one right here, RGR. And I want to identify, these are what I'm looking to go long. The strongest, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe the strongest 10, but here they are. And here it is. And basically, what I'm looking before this is I'm looking for some kind of a breakout trade. I have two ways to get in. We have a trend breakout and a trend retracement. Well, we had a trend breakout right here. Bingo. As also identified in MetaStock in this one of these indicators I'm using. So we had a trend breakout here. The other reality is you might have missed this for whatever reason. You didn't partake in any of my free lectures or courses or webinars, so you might have missed it. But look right here at this point. Let me tighten it up a little bit. This is the breakout trade right here as designated here. But then we had another signal to buy the high of this bar or the high of this bar, and we would have been in the trade. This is what trend following is. You never know what trades are going to work or which trades are not going to work, but what you do is we try to take low risk bets. You risk a small percentage of your account to see what happens, but even that's not guaranteed because things can gap, markets, there's no guarantees. But when we're trading, let me go back to this, I'm sorry. We have actually, in 1998, I wrote an indicator, and it was in Technical Analyst and Stocks and Commodities magazine, and you can see it here, this green line. It's, I call it the trend rider line right here. If you're above it, you want to be in the trade. And you had a nice run right here, hypothetically. You went from 31 all the way up to 44. Also, same thing with this Sturm Ruger, whatever the heck it is. And it was one of the strongest stocks. We try to buy the strongest stocks with a group of rules and ride it. This is what trend following is. I invite you to come to trendfollowingmentor.com. We have various courses that I teach. There's beginners for stocks, for forex, for futures, advanced. What these are, most of these are one-on-one webinars that we go over ideas, and mainly a lot of ideas on how to think. There's no magic indicators. But what I do stress is the risk management, the money management, and the extreme proper mindset in order to succeed. And again, you can sign up for a free 40-page report on trend following. I'm here to help you. If you'd like, you can actually call me. Well, before you call me, it would be best to send me an email and schedule a time to talk, because pretty much during the day I'm on the phone all day. But we can schedule a private time and we can discuss your trading. Where you've struggled, what's gone wrong, where do you need some help in order to assist you to try to get you to the point that you want to get to as far as your trading results. Again, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and really my goal is to help you increase your trading, improve your trading. Thank you.